Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ochi Day. I'm Chef Shreya and today I'm going to be sharing with you all my version of healthy and yummy paneer chili. Paneer chili is a favorite and go-to starter amongst us Indians. So yes, let's start making this easy recipe. For the paneer chili, we'll be needing around 250 grams of paneer cut into cubes. To this we will sprinkle some salt and some pepper. Next goes in some corn flour, which we are going to toss. Now paneer usually is moist, so it will form a coating of corn flour all around it. Once coated with corn flour, in a non-stick pan we will take about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or regular vegetable oil. To this we will transfer all our paneer pieces and we will let it cook till the time it starts to turn brown. Once it turns brown, we will flip the paneer cubes and we will make sure that we cook the paneer cubes on all sides. As this is a healthier version of paneer chili, we are not going to fry or shallow fry. Also, if you want, you can add little more oil if you feel that it's too dry. Once the paneer cubes are cooked on all sides, we will transfer it to a bowl. Next, in a pan, we will take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To this, we will add around 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, some green chilies, and now we are going to saute it till the time it becomes little brown in color and starts to cook. Next goes in 1 large capsicum cut into cubes, some spring onion and 1 large regular onion. We will cook it nicely. Just make sure you don't overcook the vegetables. The vegetables should be little crunchy. Some salt and pepper. Now guys, don't add a lot of salt because soy sauce also has a lot of salt in it. We will give it a toss again. Once you think that the onion and capsicum is cooked, we will add some spring onions and we will keep little for garnish. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of green chili or red chili sauce and some ketchup. Now we have taken some water in a bowl and we will add our corn flour. Mix the corn flour well with water. There should not be any lumps. Once the corn flour water looks something like this, we will add it to our paneer chili mix and we will cook it for about a minute. You will see that the paneer chili will start to thicken. Guys, just in case you want to add extra water, you can add water. We are making dry paneer chili, so I am not adding a lot of water. Next goes in some paneer. We haven't added the paneer before because we wanted the paneer to stay crunchy. If you add it before, it will become soggy. And give it a nice mix till everything is well incorporated. Take any platter or serving bowl, transfer all the paneer chili. We are going to garnish it with some spring onions. And there you go guys, our yummy and healthy paneer chili is ready. And how simple was that? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys soon with another fun recipe.